Technology that is over a century old. A design that was around before the Model T was even a thought. A machine that fueled an industrial revolution. The power hammer. A machine that carries a legacy that is unmatched in the metal shaping industry. Baileigh Industrial is keeping that legacy alive by adding a modern spin to this legacy machine. Power hammers, multi-hammers, reciprocating machines, all improved upon by modern technology. State-of-the-art electronics, infinite adjustability, instantaneous tooling changes. Visit Baileigh.com for a free catalog today.